recorded as always. But this time there will not be Q&A sessions during the event. So please, if you have any question about it, as always, you can find us on Event Tornado. We set up many channels for you to get some help, and we are there for you in these 2 days, 3 days to help you solve any problem. Right now, I'm going to give the floor to Sara Pittonet. She's the Blue-Cloud project coordinator, and she's going to welcome you to this amazing hackathon. Please, Sara, this is your time.
Thank you, Michael, and welcome everybody. I'm really excited to be here finally. So as you know, Blue-Cloud is the flagship initiative of the Future of the Seas and Oceans flagship initiative of the Horizon 2020 program of the European Commission, but it is also the thematic cloud for the marine domain in the EOSC, the European Open Science Cloud. And today we are setting a very important milestone for the project, since this is the very first time for research teams external to the project to really test the Blue-Cloud platform, its resources, software, and data sets. But I would say most of all to test the Blue-Cloud Federation model. It's a pleasure to see so many actors interested in this hackathon, including those projects, brother and sister projects, I would call them, that are supported as well by the European Commission to join forces with us. This is strategic for the impact of this model and for the sustainability of the Blue-Cloud offer. Second, the ideas, the experiments that will be started today during this hackathon are important from a scientific and social point of view to demonstrate that open science is the way to go to support knowledge and science-based informed decisions towards those objectives of the European Green Deal and the United Nations Agenda for 2020 to restore the health and of our oceans and seas. So with that, Blue-Cloud, all its 20 partners are very welcome, are very happy to welcome you to this challenge. Enjoy the week, and I give the floor to Dick Harp, the technical coordinator of Blue-Cloud. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sara. As technical coordinator, I'm also very much welcome all the participants to this really exciting challenge, because the hackathon is it will really give us some feedback and some good experience back from those who are using the tools. And if you look at what we have developed so far, let's say we cooperate with many of the leading blue data infrastructures as part of the Blue-Cloud. And they together, let's say, they bring discovery and access to many different data sets. Also covering chemistry, physics, geology, biology, bathymetry, and genomics. So there's really, I would say, a sea of data to be drunk by you as part of your challenges. Next to this, we have a virtual research environment. That's a platform that offers you an extensive set of functions and services and algorithms, which will allow you, let's say, to develop and to design and to implement and also to run your own analytical workflows, combining data from the different resources and also the data sets which are already brought into the theory and the data pools. And this way you will play, I would say, with those challenges and make very good results, and also show us, of course, let's say, where we can improve the system to make it even more functional and more accessible. Moreover, we have 4 virtual labs which are accessible for you. This gives you some good examples, but also it allows you to play with them and also add, let's say, functionality maybe, and then add some experiments to these, which again will be important to reach your challenges, to compete with each other, and of course try to go for the win, but also provide us, let's say, the substantial feedback which we can use, let's say, for the rest of the project to improve overall the functioning. So again, I wish you all, let's say, a very good challenge, and I would say, make the best of it and give us feedback. We are there to support you wherever you need help, and we are very interested in, of course, in your results. So have a good competition.
Thank you very much for that, Dick. I guess it's my turn to take the floor. Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to say hello to you all again. This time to kickstart the Blue-Cloud Hackathon. We've had the pleasure of engaging with most of you over the past 3 weeks of the ideation warm-up leading up to this day. And we're nothing short of thrilled to be finally launching the Blue-Cloud Hackathon. We have 31 teams on board the hackathon with participants from 39 different countries. I guess in a way that means 31 different ways of potentially approaching the ocean challenges that we've presented you. You've put some great ideas on the table, and we really look forward to seeing how you unfold them and bring them to life during the hackathon. I have to say, Sarah and Dick have also mentioned this, that the Blue-Cloud Consortium has been working up to this day for the past months. The Blue-Cloud platform, the virtual labs and services have been dressed to the nines to welcome you. It's been a huge team effort, and we now only hope that you will find this open science ecosystem enticing and useful, because that's what the Blue-Cloud project is about, as Sarah and Dick have said, about providing the ocean community with services and tools that enable science-based solutions to ocean challenges. We are pretty sure that everyone is eager to get to work right away, and that's why we're going to be keeping this live event very short so that you can start working with your teams. But before that happens, we just want to make sure that everyone is on the same page regarding the critical milestones of the hackathon, as well as wanting to take this opportunity to share some announcements with you. So looking at the agenda of this Blitz event and what's happening up next, we would like to first take a few minutes to hear from you. You've told us a bit about yourselves when you registered to the hackathon, but we've prepared some questions so that you two can have a better idea of with whom are you sharing this experience over the next 3 days. So we will be breaking some quick polls to you in a minute. We would also like to, again, remind you of the key deliverables that your team will have to submit during the hackathon for a chance to win an award, and the deadlines for their submission. And this is very important to keep in mind, because if you're late to a deadline, your team will sadly be disqualified. And although your mentor is going to be there to guide you and to support you, at the end of the day, it is up to each team to deliver on the hackathon deadlines on time. So we will be briefly looking at that as well. And we also want to take a couple of minutes to run you through a couple of fun mini challenges that we've prepared for those of you who might have an extra bit of time to play around in between the deadlines. So nothing too fancy, but hopefully an opportunity to share a fun moment or two with all of you. So that's all from me. I will be seeing you all again live on Wednesday at 4 p.m. for the pitching and award event that will determine the winners of the hackathon. In the meantime, the full hackathon coordination team, including our colleagues from D4Science, the Blue-Cloud mentors, the whole of the Blue-Cloud consortium really will be working behind the scenes to support you through the hackathon. So yes, Sarah, Dick, I think with your permission, I'm going to give the floor to Michele so that we can move forward with this agenda. And I guess before leaving you with Michele, I would like to again wish you all a great hackathon. And as my colleagues have said, may the best team win. Best wishes to you all. So Michele, over to you.
Thank you very much, Julia. So yeah, as Julia said, now it's time to hear from you a little bit, guys. So we would like to ask you some questions, and you have the chance to answer directly in the poll that will be launched here. I think we're going to leave it there for 15-20 seconds. So I'm going to launch the first one. So first of all, we would like to know from where you guys are joining the Blue Hackathon. So you're from Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South and Central America, Oceania, and so on. So let's wait a little bit, and then we'll see where you guys are coming from. I already see that there is a huge majority in the area, in geographic area. I'm gonna send the poll. You can see the results. So basically, guys, a lot of you are from Europe. Then we have some people from Africa, some people from Asia, someone from North America, but no one from South Central America or Oceania. Well, Oceania, I understand that, of course, because of the time zones, it's going to be a little bit more tricky than to participate in this one. But yeah, so basically, most of you are from Europe, as I can see.
Yeah, and Michele, I really want to congratulate those of you joining us from North America, Asia, Africa, probably living with the very different time zones as ours. So thank you very much for making the effort of being with us today. And we're really thrilled to see that the community that Blue-Cloud is building extends beyond Europe and brings in some colleagues from countries around the world. That's great to see.
Thank you very much, Julia. All right, so now that we know where you're from, we would like to know more, who are you basically? So here you have several options you can select, and I'm gonna launch the poll now. So basically, we would like to know if you're a data scientist, a marine researcher, a programmer, a communicator, an entrepreneur, a strategist or innovator, or a student. But also, if you're none of them, you can just say that you're passionate about the ocean, because you are here. So basically, you should be passionate about the ocean. All right, I'm gonna leave it open a little bit more. I see that we are having a winner. All right, I'm gonna close the poll. We have a winner, but it's really, really tight. So basically, we have most of the people are data scientists, but many of them are marine researcher, few programmers. No one is a communicator here, but maybe we don't have all the people here in the launch. Maybe you have in the team that could not join. Then some entrepreneurs, some business strategists, and also marine student of marine and computer science. All right, thank you very much. This is all for the second poll. Let's go on about the third one. So basically here we would like to know how many hackathons have you participated so far. So let's see if this is your first one, or maybe you are an expert in hackathon. All right. Let me check. Also here we have a winner, but yeah, as you can imagine, I'm gonna finish the poll. So basically a lot of people participated for the first one, but also people between 1 and 3 hackathons also. So we have some experts here, more than 5, more than 10, and I lost the count. So basically we have some really people have expert of hackathon. So about this, if you lost the count, so please make sure you answer the survey at the end of this hackathon, because we really would like to know from you what's your opinion. All right, so now it's time to get a little bit more serious. And here we have a very, very tricky question. Let's see if you have been studying on your books in these days. So basically, we would like to know if you can name one of the EU data research infrastructure that are feeding the marine data into Blue-Cloud Hackathon, into Blue-Cloud, sorry. And this time you need to answer directly in the chat. So let's see. Sophie is saying iframer, and then let's see if someone else can name one of the EU data research infrastructure that are feeding the data into Blue-Cloud. Elixir, CMEMS, Elixir, Sea Data Cloud, EMODnet, Marine Copernicus. So, Julia, I think that people have been studying in these 3 weeks, right? EMODnet, chemistry.
It looks that way, absolutely, Michele. And yes, we're getting lots of right answers on the chat.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so let's see the answers here. But you guys, I think that you named them all. Ecotaxa, yeah. All right, very good. Thank you very much. I mean, now it's too easy because you have the answer. All right, so now it's time for poll number 5, and here we're asking you how many data sets are accessible through the Blue-Cloud's data discovery and access services. You have several options, and let me launch the poll right now. So basically here we're asking if there are 10,000 or 100 million data sets. Just waiting a little bit more for you to answer. All right. I'm gonna end the poll and I'm gonna share the results. So basically, here we can see that many people answered 100,000, and the second one is 10 million data sets. So I'm going to provide you with the answer, and the answer is 10 million data sets. So this is the number of data sets that are accessible to the Blue-Cloud Data Discovery and Access Service.
Yes, maybe to add, Michele, that if anyone is curious about knowing more about how we got to that number, you know, Paul Vierham from Madis is one of the Blue-Cloud Hackathon mentors, and you can reach out to him today through the event tornado chat if you want to strike a conversation with him, just for fun, in case you're curious about it.
Exactly, we have a dedicated channel on Event Tornado, so you can reach out to him directly. Okay, so it's time for the poll number 6. Poll number 6 is what of the following statements define Blue-Cloud's current mission? So here it's very important to understand what Blue-Cloud is about. So you have these 5 options. Let me launch the poll, and there you go. So basically, is the goal, the mission of Blue-Cloud to showcase the potential of open science in the marine domain, or maybe pilot innovative services to support the marine research? Maybe promote fair, fundable, accessible, interoperable, and reproducible digital objects that are useful for the ocean community, or maybe building a thriving community of open science, or maybe all of the above, who knows? So I see that people are still answering. I'm gonna leave it open a little bit more, but I can tell you guys that you provided the right answer. So here we have the right answer is all of the above. So maybe 67% of people understood that all of these are the statements that define the Blue-Cloud current mission. I don't know, Julia, if you want to comment on this one.
No, that's great. Thank you, Michele, and that's right. All of the above are right. Sarah has already said at the beginning how Blue-Cloud is showcasing the potential of open science in the marine domain. So it's really about demonstrating what a community of scientists and researchers can accomplish when they use web-based tools to share the underpinning processes and the result of their work. And I guess what the combined power of such community can do to advance ocean knowledge and science-based solutions for a sustainable and healthy ocean. So that's correct, and really great to see that everyone is on board this mission.
Thank you very much. All right, it's time for the last poll. The last poll is what will it take for you to win the Blue-Cloud Hackathon? So basically here we're asking if you need a general understanding of what is available on Blue-Cloud, or maybe a lot of time in your hands to assess all the challenges and opportunities, also a good team, a focused idea, and a good plan to decode the ocean. Or maybe the last one is a bottle of rum, good music, and window overlooking a stunning seascape. So about good music, I would like to mention that later this day, we're going to share a playlist, the official Spotify playlist of the Blue-Cloud Hackathon, and we hope that it will inspire your work. Maybe while you're coding, you can listen to that music. It's very difficult to put all the music tastes of people together, so we try to have a good mix, a good balance of that. So I hope you can enjoy that. All right, also I'm gonna send the poll and share the results. So basically here people are saying a good team, a focused idea, and a good plan, but also people that would like to drink a bottle of rum. I see Julia. All right, so the right answer is a good team, a focused idea, and a good plan to decode the ocean. And we are sure that you have that in you guys.
I see that some people have a window overlooking the seascape, so I guess that's an advantage for those of you that have that that great view ahead of you. Exactly. Anyway, over to you, Michele.
Thank you very much. All right, so here I'm going to explain again about the agenda of the Blue-Cloud Hackathon. I think that most of you are familiar with that, but from the one that couldn't join the 3-week warm-up and are joining just right now, the team leader maybe, then here is the agenda of the hackathon. So basically, today, we're going to ask you to deliver by 2 p.m. The one-page summary. Then at 4 p.m., we're going to launch a mini challenge. So you will be added to a new channel on Event Tornado. You're going to see this new channel appearing on Event Tornado. And there you will have the instruction on how to participate in this mini challenge. And later, after this slide, I'm going to explain what are the prizes. Then we have tomorrow, which is the busiest day for you because you guys have to submit 3 deliverables. Deliverable 2, which is the presentation, is due by noon. Then we're going to have another mini challenge. So we're going to create another channel on Event Tornado. You can participate there. There is the optional deliverable number 3, which is the notebook at 4 p.m. tomorrow. And then at last, we have the video pitch, which is due by tomorrow at 6 p.m. And then you will receive tomorrow, basically, you're going to receive also the invitation to join the Pitching and Award live event with all the details, all the agenda, and so on. And I was mentioning we are launching 2 mini challenges, and these 2 mini challenges gives you the opportunity to win a 50 euro gift card. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun mini challenges. It's not going to take a lot of your time because we want you to focus on the Blue-Cloud. But of course, it's going to be something fun. So basically, that's it from my side. And we hope you guys are ready for this hackathon. We are really ready for this, but we're thrilling about it. And basically you can start working on your ideas.
So good luck, everyone.
All right, good luck, everyone. Thank you very much.
Best of luck.
Great success.